Many of the people are feared of math formulas such as derivative, and it is very easy. Really, it is very easy. Now we start with all basic formulas like d by dx. It is derivative. Let's say कोई function fx, derivative of fx with respect to x. Now let we write all formulas. D by dx of x raised to power n, it is simply n x power n minus 1. Now d by dx e raised to power x, it is simply e raised to power x. D by dx of k is 0 if k is any constant. If k is constant, then its derivative is 0. Now again, derivative of x power n is n times x power n minus 1. E raised to power is e raised to power n, and derivative of k, where k is any constant, is 0. Now let we understood trigonometric derivative formula like sin x, cos x, tan x. Now d upon dx of sin x is cos x. Now d upon dx is cos x is minus sin x, and I will be revise and remember you in this single video. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x. D by dx of cos x is minus cosecant square x. D by dx of cosecant is minus cosecant x into cot x. Let's revise this again properly. Sin x is derivative is cos x. Where is c, there is a negative sign. Let's sin x derivative is cos x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. Tan x is secant square x, and derivative of secant is secant x into tan x. Tan x is secant square x, secant is tan x into secant x. Cot x is minus cosecant square x, and cosecant derivative is minus cosecant into cot x. Cot x is minus cosecant square x, cosecant is minus cosecant into cot x. Let's do basic derivative formulas like one is chain rule, when multiply and divide. Let's understood. Let we have to find derivative u and v with respect to x. Now derivative of this is simply, this is our first function, this is our second function. First function is as it is, and dv upon dx plus second person function is as it is, and du upon dx, like first function into d by dx of second function plus second function and d by dx of first function. It is very easy, like d by dx of First function u into v is u first function as it is derivative of second plus second function as it is derivative of first. Now what is the derivative of u upon v? Now understood, this is our numerator and this is our denominator. When we derivative, first we taken as denominator as it is and derivative of numerator plus numerator as it is derivative of denominator and upon denominator square means v square. Simply you can write this as this is first function, this is second function. Now first function as it is derivative second plus second function as it is derivative of x upon first whole square. Like again, numerator is du upon dx of u upon v is numerator denominator as it is derivative of numerator plus numerator as it is derivative of denominator upon denominator square and it is enough. Now comment what you will want to next. I hope you enjoy this video and it is very simple. Now comment me how can I improve and what you want to next to create.